Hello and welcome to another video on Visual Basic Programming. In this video I'm going to be talking about timers. So let's get started. Go ahead and go to your Solution Explorer and create a new project. Okay, so now select Windows Forms application. Let's name this Timer Demo. Then click OK. Alright, so now that you're here, the first thing you want is to get this form ready. So size it up pretty small. Then go to your toolbox and let's first get a label. And then we're going to grab a timer. And that's all we need. Now I'm going to take this label and position it properly. So we're going to leave it label 1 and then timer 1. So now for timer 1, as you can see here, it's very simple. In your properties area, you can see that you have the name, then you have the enabled, generate member, and then interval. This is your probably the most important one. This is the time in milliseconds of when it's going to do whatever you want in the code. So basically, right now, if we double click this, you'll see timer 1.tick. So every 100 milliseconds, you're going to do absolutely nothing at this moment, but it's going to basically run this program right now. So I'm going to put it in a message box. I'm going to put random, or better yet, let's actually instead of doing this is going to get kind of messy with lots of message boxes coming along. I'm going to put in label 1.text is equal to let's create a variable first. Dim I as integer is equal to 0. So I'm going to type in I plus 1. Then I'm going to save here. I is equal to I plus 1. And now let's run the program. Okay, so right here we have our label and our form. But the one thing we forgot to do was to enable our timer. So let's go back here and put it enabled. Now let's run it again. And as you can see, every 100 milliseconds you have this thing counting up. Let's close this, and I'm going to change this interval to 500. Now 1000 is 1 second, so 500 is half a second. And I'm going to make this font bigger. Okay, so now I'm going to run it again, and now as you can see, it's counting up, but slower. Okay, so that's it for this video, and you know what to do. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. See you next time.